Morning mga Katimbo Vlogs. Welcome sa isa namang video boss. Gagamitin nating bus ngayon ay si bus number 5717. Registration plate number NQI 768. Will expire on August 9, 2024. Check na natin yung mga okay. All damages. Likod. Ayan, may mga tama sa taas. All damages. All damages. All good. All damages are very scary because you don't check it, they're gonna blame you for it. So all good. Yan yung tignan natin baka may nawalang upuan. So all good. So far walang upuan na nawawala and all are intact. So that's all for our video vlog. Paalam!